Hi, so let's do it on the video while I'm updating the Manage Fund website. So this is the first update we need to make. Add these two buttons on the fixed income page. So let's go to the front end, and this is the fixed income page. And when we are logged in and at the back end, so and we refresh the front end, we'll see these options, these backend options on the top of the front end pages. So we have this edit page option here. So now what we need to do, just first add these two buttons, then we will work on the pop-up, how to connect the pop-up to these buttons. Like if we click on January 22, the pop-up opens the respective file in it. So first we will create the button, then we'll upload the files and connect it to a pop-up, and then connect that pop-up to these two buttons, right? So what you need to do, just right click on it and open a new tab. So when we open it new tab, we get to the back end of the same page, and then we need to figure out where these buttons are shown. So I have the idea, so I will just scroll down, and when you are doing it, so just you can match it with the sections above and below it. So like read the historical monthly performance results and forecast. So this is so I can see these buttons here, right? So select a month below to display. This is the text that is written here, right? So we should just remember some, you can say some text or some markings on the front page to just figure out easily where that section is given in the back end. So here is that section, I already know it. So what I will do, just I will click on this edit button, and this pop-up will open, and it will give me this. So this is the HTML option that these WordPress sites give us. So what we need to do is that here we can see that report, there is a class equals, there is a class written and in double quotes it's given reports Jan 22, and so we just need to add two buttons just under it. So just copy this one, Ctrl C, and click here and paste it here, and then again, since we need to add two buttons, now you can see there are two, we have added two buttons. Now we just need to rename it. So what are the names? February 22 and March 22. So we come back to the back end and we make it Feb, Feb, and March 22, right? So now what we need to just take care, and it is very important for opening the pop-up, is these classes report / Jan 22. So just we need to make it Feb 22, and we can copy it somewhere and we will use it Feb, and similarly we will make it March, March, and we just need to copy this thing, just this part somewhere. So I have a notepad already open, so I will paste it somewhere at the bottom. And it's easy to remember. You can when you are used to doing it, you need not to copy and paste, right? So now we save the changes, and with this the button should appear on the front end when we refresh. I click on update, and you can see the okay. So now the update should be done. If we refresh the front end, we must see the those two buttons. Okay, now February 22 and March 22. Now nothing will have happen since there is no class or pop-up attached to it. So now we will have to, since we have copied these two classes for the pop-up purpose, and now we will use it. So I will just end this video here to keep it short, and then for connecting to the pop-up I'll make the next part. So that's it for this video.